Hey guys, in today's video I'm installing vinyl graphics on the roll bar of a 2021 Ford Bronco and showing off some of the other vinyl graphics that I've got on the vehicle so far. It's best to clean the area first, just make sure there's no dust or dirt or wax, make sure the vinyl's going to stick well. Grab a spray bottle with some water in it and a couple of drops of Dawn dish soap. Spray the area liberally, this will help the vinyl adhere better. These decals I've created are made up of 3 layers of vinyl. The gold layer has an intricate design on the bottom, a matte black layer on top, and then the intricate gold design on top of that. As I'm installing them, I spray them with the soap water mix. This enables you to move them around and get them in exactly the right position. It means if you make any mistakes, you can easily pick them up and lay them out again. Here I'm using a hairdryer to aid adhesion. And this is where the 3D or embossed look of the vinyl comes to life. Pressing down you can see the underlying intricate vinyl. And I continue doing the same thing, heating it up, pressing down, making sure I get the 3D look throughout. And once that's done, it's time to clean the soapy residue from the area. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This isn't something that everyone will see, but it's a nice personal touch. And it matches the design I went with along the front of the Bronco. And the 3D effect is really noticeable on the larger R. And here are some of the other decals I have throughout the vehicle. As you may have guessed, I'm British. And the rest of my family is American. And here's a link to my Instagram page for Xanthus Bronco. And finally the Ford Oval on the back. And there you go, really easy install. Give us a like, comment, subscribe. Till next time.